everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into what's happening in the world of Bitcoin and crypto markets, especially after the recent Federal Reserve rate cuts. There's a lot going on, and the price movements are giving us major signals. So let's break it all down and see what's driving these trends. As we've seen, Bitcoin's price has traded relatively flat on Tuesday, following a week of gains spurred by a Federal Reserve rate cut, but this recent rebound has run out of steam. So why did Bitcoin rise in the first place? Lower interest rates typically provide better prospects for speculative assets like crypto because they increase liquidity in the market. The Federal Reserve has officially started an easing cycle, which means more rate cuts could be on the horizon. But now, the markets are looking for additional cues. How much more will the Fed cut rates? How will this impact Bitcoin and broader crypto markets? These questions are causing a bit of uncertainty. According to analysts from Bitfinex, a key level Bitcoin needs to surpass is $65,200. This level is significant because it's the August high. If Bitcoin manages to break this level, we might be able to signal the end of its downtrend, which has been ongoing since March when it hit an all-time high of 73,660 skalks. But if it can't break this, we might see more stagnation. Interestingly, we're still seeing capital inflows into crypto markets. Last week, inflows amounted to $321 million, which signals that investors still have confidence in the market, especially after the Fed rate cut. However, trading volumes are still lower than earlier in the year, showing that retail demand might be weakening. One of the factors still causing hesitation in the market is the uncertain regulatory outlook, especially with the U.S. presidential race heating up. Only Donald Trump has taken a clearly pro-crypto stance. But what if Kamala Harris wins? The current administration has been tough on crypto, and that crackdown could continue if she takes office. Looking at the broader crypto markets, altcoins like Ether are moving slightly lower, while others like ADA have managed to gain 5%. Meme coins like Doge also saw a modest increase of 2.6%, but overall, the market remains cautious as we await more cues from the Fed. In other news, we've seen some big movements from long-dormant Bitcoin whales. For example, a whale who's been holding 81 BTC since 2013 just moved their funds, marking an 11,507% gain on their initial investment. This kind of movement can signal either preparation for a sale or a more secure storage solution. Whales can have a significant impact on market price movements, and we've seen more activity in recent days. One whale even moved 1,143 BTC worth $84.48 million from Binance recently. These moves can indicate profit taking, especially after Bitcoin's recent 6-day rally. With the upcoming month of October, or as some call it, Uptober, we typically see bullish momentum in the crypto market. Historically, October and November have been great months for Bitcoin, often followed by the Santa Claus rally in December. This could be a factor we'll see come into play as we move into Q4. Another potential market driver is the release of Binance founder Changpeng Zhao, who is set to be released from prison later this week. Many in the crypto community believe this could provide some positive momentum for the market as Binance continues to play a significant role in Bitcoin's liquidity. On the other hand, MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor continues to be a strong advocate for Bitcoin. He recently stated that Bitcoin is poised for even more gains, especially if it can break key resistance levels like $65,000. But the key is whether the market can gather enough buying momentum to make this a reality. So what can we expect next? Bitcoin is currently facing strong resistance at 63,950. If it manages to break this, we could see it push towards $65,000 and beyond. However, if the price fails here, we might see a retracement to the $60,000 level, where its fate will be decided by the battle between buyers and sellers. At the end of the day, it's crucial to remember that the crypto market is volatile, and while interest rate cuts and whale activity might provide opportunities, always do your research and invest responsibly. As always, if you're new to the crypto space, consider dollar cost averaging to mitigate risks. Now let's talk about another major news. Bybit has just introduced its first ever Islamic account, making it the first global exchange to offer a Sharia-compliant trading platform for Muslim traders worldwide. Bybit partnered with Zico Sharia Advisory Services to ensure compliance with Islamic finance principles. This is a huge leap forward, as it opens up the world of crypto to over 1.9 billion Muslims globally. So what does the Bybit Islamic account offer? It includes Sharia-compliant trading products, such as spot trading, with a selection of 75 compliant tokens and tools like DCA trading bots. The account is accessible globally, and it's double certified by Crypto Halal and Zico Holdings, making it a trusted option for those looking to trade within Islamic law. Now let's move over to Russia, where the crackdown on illegal crypto miners is intensifying. Recently, the Southern Republic of Dagestan has called for stricter regulations on miners, especially after a series of blackouts caused by underground mining rigs. Officials are focusing on enforcing cryptocurrency mining legislation signed by President Vladimir Putin, which is set to come into effect on November 1st, 2024. Mining consumes massive amounts of electricity, and many miners are operating underground to evade law enforcement. But Dagestan's local prime minister says new tactics are needed to curb illegal mining activity, especially as it's disrupting the local power grid. What do you think about these developments? Will Bybit's Islamic account attract more Muslim traders to the platform? And how do you think Russia's mining crackdown will affect crypto miners? Let me know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more in-depth news and insights into the crypto world.